Yo guys, so we have another early pack in today. We got to break these things down, check them out, seeing what they're hitting for, because just off of first rip, me honestly right now putting it out there just based off the pictures, I'm not really sold yet, but I'm gonna let you guys see them, check them out early, and you guys can let me know your honest opinions and thoughts down below in the comment section. What's going on YouTube, man? Thanks again for pulling up to yet another video. It is greatly appreciated. I'll go out of my way, give you guys these early looks so you guys can get a little bit of insight before the actual drop. If you want to spend that $180, $200, $220 on any given sneaker that Jordan brand is bringing out, and today we have a pair of Air Jordan 1s, man. Make sure you guys subscribe right now to the channel if you're new. Hit the notification bell for your boys so you don't miss out on any content. Today we're going to say unbox it, get straight to it, and give you guys my honest opinion, my honest take, because as of right now I'm not really sold on what Jordan brand's been doing, and this specific Air Jordan 1 I'm not a huge fan of. You guys already know, man, to follow me over on Twitter for all shock drop, exclusive access drops, or restocks that happen on the Nike Sneakers app. That's where I can instantly retweet, share, let you guys know what's going on as far as sneaker community. So Twitter, most beneficial spot. Go ahead and click that link down below in the description box, take you straight over to Twitter. All right, man, I want to give a huge shout out to the homie, man. You guys already know, every time I get an early pair, I always let you guys know where you can get one too, and this one is shouts out to the homie Jay, the sneaker guy. He actually plugged me in on this early pair. This is a pair that I was a little interested in. I wanted to see how I would actually like it in person, because like I said, in the pictures I wasn't a fan of it. So again, like I said, shouts out to the bro Jay, the sneaker guy, for plugging this in with this early look. And you guys see the box, man. Y'all see the box all red. And you know, usually, like I said, when it comes to that red box, you guys know it's a women's exclusive more than likely. But I do know that the Air Jordan 1 black and white Pandas dropped today, and it came in a red box, if I'm not mistaken. You guys let me know if I'm tripping down below in the comment section. I'm about to say a huge L on the Air Jordan 1 High 85 white and black, aka the Pandas. Really salty. It was like kind of glitchy. It was a draw. First of all, it kind of caught me by surprise, and then now the boy got an L, so I gotta see if I want to spend that resale bread on him or not. And as of right now, I'm probably more on the side of me grabbing them on resale than me just, you know, sleeping on them and watching the resale skyrocket and I regret it later. So here we have them, man. Check it out. Check the box out, all red. We're gonna get to the official colorway. Women's Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG. Varsity Maze, Game Royal, and Sale. And of course, you guys know your boy rocked that size 9, which is a 10.5 in women. So go ahead and break these things out and seeing, you know, what these things in for, bro. So let's go ahead and pull the box open. You guys see them. 3, 2, 1, and bam, man. Check them out. The Air Jordan 1 Women's Laneys, man. I think they call them the Laneys. I remember I had the Laney 5s back in the day when I was in high school. I spent like all my $200 hard-earned on them joints, and now we have them in a women's exclusive Laney colorway, man. So we'll go ahead and grab both sneakers out of the box, throw that to the side, and see, you know what I'm saying, what these things in for, bro. Let me give me a quick little 360 look of the shoe, because like I told y'all in the pictures and stuff, I wasn't really sold. They do come with some extra blue laces right here, as you guys can see. And just off first rip, what I would do, I would keep the yellow laces in there because it won't clash as much in my opinion. But like I said, this is too much for me, man. Like, y'all know I love Jordan 1s, but this colorway specifically is just a little too much. And then on the insole of the sneaker, you get this baby blue, sky blue insole right there with the white Nike Air, which kind of matches the little hang tag you get on these Jordan 1s right here. The blue don't even match the sneaker at all. It only matches the blue inside of the insole. I don't know what that was about. Kind of throw me off guard, throw me for a loop. And like I said, man, I kind of got that same energy, the same vibes that I had when I seen the first pictures. Like, yo, these really ain't all it to me, you know what I'm saying? And it's still feeling the same way. And we got an early pair in hand, and yeah, just giving me Jordan, what the hell you doing vibes. You guys can check it out on the tongue. You got a little splash of red right there. Not too sure on where the red comes into play as far as the Laneys. You guys don't know, Michael Jordan went to Laney High School, and I feel like the first Laney colorway to be a little popular was the Laney Air Jordan 5s that released back in 2013 or 2014. I can't remember the year, but it was a predominantly white Air Jordan 5 with, you know what I'm saying, the blue and the yellow hits going around the sneaker. But you guys know, usually when you got a predominantly white sneaker, you can't really miss. So if they would have kept certain parts of the sneaker, like, you know, white or like kind of off-white sailors colorways, I think it maybe would have flew for me. But this one right here, I don't know. I need you guys comments, your thoughts, your opinions over these joints down below right now in the comment section, because I don't know if it's just me. You guys know I love Jordan 1s. People think that I like every single colorway, and this is the case in point right here. I'm glad we got them in hand today, so you guys can know your boy the vintage isn't here for the Air Jordan 1 Laneys. Let's go ahead and check Sneakers app real quick for the release date, the retail tag. So these will be releasing on February the 17th, this upcoming Friday, for a retail tag of $180. A women's exclusive, the same as a men's pair. They don't care. Jordan Brand taking that bread. They say, you know what, you want the sneaker, you're gonna have to pay to play, man. One thing I do want to say about these joints is it does have really good leather quality. Like, I'm gonna give you guys some B-roll of the toe box, and just the leather hits all around. The joints is A1. Like, the joints is really good as far as leather quality. I just think for me, like, even on the back, like, look at the back, like, really good, bro. I want to stress that point. Like, the quality is A1, super nice all around the sneaker. I just think that I am not sold on the actual Laney colorway on the Air Jordan 1. I think it's just too much yellow for me on the side panels. Maybe if they would just kept the toe box yellow and maybe the side panel was white, I don't know. I don't even know how I would have made the sneaker. I just know this one right here really ain't it for me. But I want you guys to let me know down below in the comment section what y'all feel about these bad boys right now. I'm very interested in knowing. You guys know I respond to every single comment, seeing how y'all feeling about the upcoming releases, and I'm all here for it. Can't wait to read you guys' comments. So yeah, guys, I appreciate all of the support, man. Thanks for tapping in to get another video. More early looks coming. We have another unboxing straight from Nike that we got to talk about. I don't really appreciate what they've been doing to your boy as far as the shipping, as far as me taking L's. So we got to do a little rant video coming very soon near you. Sub up to the channel right now, especially if you don't want to miss out on any of this exclusive access, details, shop, drop, restocks, all that good stuff. And of course, you do early looks just like the Air Jordan 1 Laneys that are released in a couple days for the Vintage Squad. So join up, sub up, hit the notification bell right now for your boy. And please follow it up with a huge like on today's video to go for every single video, especially the early bangers, bro. We got to get 500 likes. I know we can do it with you guys' support, man. All my social media links will be down below in the description box. And again, man, thank you guys so much for supporting the channel, supporting the grind. I love you guys. Let me catch y'all in the next video, man. Peace. Yo, before I let you guys go, I want to let you know about a giveaway that me and the homie, the Rachel Wiz Kid, linked up and said, you know what, let's get back to one lucky supporter. And the rules are very simple. I'm gonna put you guys on right now so you can win a free pair of the Playoff 13s. So rule number 1 is to follow both me and the Rachel Wiz Kid over on Instagram, and make sure you subscribe to both of our YouTube channels. And that's pretty much it. We're going to go over on Instagram and see who both follows us. Then we're going to go through there, sort through, and see who actually followed the rules by subbing to our YouTube channel. And that one lucky person, when we put them in a randomizer, will win a free pair of Air Jordan 13 playoffs. You guys let me know if you tapped in with this giveaway right now down below in the description box. Let me know if you've done. Let me know what size you were if you want to. But I hope y'all enjoyed today's unboxing over the Air Jordan 1 Laneys, man.